Riu tithiri murimu ugwati wa coronavirus ni ureketie kwiyenjera na kwegera na mirigo ku bururi-ini thutha wa andu angi 7 kunyitwo ni murimu uyu na ruithabu ria mari naguo rirugameirie andu 38.
We have received confirmation of 7 people who have tested positive for the coronavirus disease. They include 4 Kenyans, 2 Congolese nationals, and 1 Chinese national. The trend that we have seen here in terms of increasing numbers is not a healthy one.
Gukinyaniria ruithimi cia Arwaru atatu na ria makoretwo makiamukira urigiti cionanitie ni mahonete murimu uyu ona gutwika eri gatagati ga atatu aya ni megukorwo magithimwo oro ringi niguo kweheria nganja cia kana mari na murimu uyu kana sha.
A repeat test is scheduled in the next 48 hours. We remain hopeful that the repeat test will be negative, confirming full recovery to allow for their discharge from our treatment center.
Kaunti ya Nairobi no hatireirio na njira nene ni murimu uyu na benwe kiambatira kuma Arwaru 21 nginyagia Arwaru 28 kuonania Arwaru riothe manirirwo muthenya wa umuthi maumite kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
This now puts Nairobi County as leading with 28 cases of those who have so far turned positive. Kilifi with 6, Mombasa with 2, while Kajiado and Kwale have 1 each.
Agiteterithia fata wa andu kwihuga mutahinianireire kwa hinda riri no marethana na andu angi makiria ma 900 aria mareketie kuhutania na Arwaru a murimu uyu na kuma hindi ria murimu uyu waingirire guku bururi-ini andu 833 nio mareketie guthimwo.
All the 38 Kenyans we are talking about come from one village, they come from one family, they come from one estate or somewhere within Kenya. And it is important to appreciate that the over 1,000 contacts we are talking about are also going to be with another 1,000 contacts somewhere along the line. This is how this disease spreads.
Muthenya wa rucio mihango ya guthima andu makiria ma 2,000 aria maigitwo keheri-ini thutha wa gucokereria kuma mabururi-ini ma nanja ni gakorwo ikiambiriria.